Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a Ryan ad lighter. Mark Japan. Nice lighter. Had to take the mechanism apart up top here to get it working. Definitely shows wear, scuffs, finish loss, scrapes, dings. Maybe even some dents. It's a little bit different shape than most of your flat advertising lighters are. It's actually got the squared ends rather than the rounded ends. Everything about the upper mechanism was typical. This was an ad lighter for ADA or ADA, assuming that's ADA. Here we go. Let's look at this side first. Advertising Distributors of America, Cincinnati, Louisville. So ADA stood for Advertising Distributors of America. And we turn it over and we see ADA, Advertising Distributors of America, American Advertising Service, Cincinnati, Louisville. And it is branded Ryan on the side. And the T, I don't know if that's like a TM, a trademark symbol. For a lot of these lighters that were made in Japan, I don't know about the markings on them. If you look at the lighter from this side, and it's not a bad looking lighter. Finish appears to have held up okay. I'm not sure what this is plating. I feel it, but I didn't really pay attention. I'm assuming it's a brass lighter. Anyway, my eyes still aren't that good. But whatever the base metal is, the finish on these sides is different than the chrome or whatever the plating is on the rest of the lighter, in that it looks brassish, but that could be paint as well. And then there's definitely paint. So you can see the paint that is used to highlight and define the engraved or etched design, whatever you would call that, process or technique. But that paint is filled in there to achieve that effect.
I just realized while editing that that's a bulldog on a chain, and also that you can see the of in the detail of the ADA.
And you can see that here on this back side that is worn worse than the other side is. And I still can't tell. I believe that's some kind of plating or process to the metal rather than paint. But on this side you can see that there is a clear coat of some kind. It feels a little bit tacky, like a synthetic film, protective film maybe, that has, this side of the lighter has fared better with age than this side, which doesn't have that film. And I can't really tell, and I don't want to peel back anymore, but it looks as though the whole panel comes off the lighter. So then this may just be glued on the entire side, and this may, the glue just stuck better, but somehow the clear coat peeled off of that side. That would be my guess. Definitely has some scuffs, scrapes, wear. But if you collect lighters from the Cincinnati or Louisville area, especially flat ad lighters, especially ad lighters about advertising at that, Advertising Distributors of America, American Advertising Service. If you use these kind of lighters, or if you like to, then it's a pretty nifty lighter to use. Definitely some tricks to make it a little more efficient and maybe light a little more effectively and reliably. Help tilt that spark where it needs to go sometimes. But yeah, definitely a lighter you can put in your pocket and carry around, fill it up with fuel and carry it around and use. If you like videos about old Petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms, then please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Grab that link, send it off in a text, email, post it on social media. However it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Leave any comments or questions below. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Until next time.